From pitch to profit, how to turn content to cash. So if you are a creator and you have been focusing on one-off posts, you are missing out so much, my friends. What if you turn that one post into a partnership? So let's talk about the shift, creators. The shift is automatically when a brand reaches out to you or when you're pitching the brand to plant, like you're planting a plant, the seed of working together long term and including bundles. So that's including long form content, YouTube videos, podcasts. That's including email launches together. That's including short form and repurposing. And on top of that, you want to tell them about long-term partnerships. 3 months into a year, into multi-year campaigns. So who am I and why should you care, creator, and why should you listen to me? I'm Katrina Julia, and I'm a creator and CEO who's worked in 7+ industries, had a crazy A transformation story, and this year was named one of the top 10 creators by Later Media and Visa. So with that being said, when you pitch brands, it's all about pitching with purpose. It's about thinking about long-term value. It's about bundling things with the creator bundle as a business, because you're not just a creator, you are a business. So click the link down below with my From Pitch to Profit to dive deeper. And if you're really ready, jump in and create it in my creator school. Create, transform, and inspire, because you are born to.